Jatin along with my team, and today we'll play a role, play an act which is based on child labor. Before that, I would like to introduce my team as she is Palak and she would be playing the role of commissioner, and Mr. Nikinjay and Sujal would be playing the role of officers, and Mr. Irfan would be playing the role of conductor, and I and Miss Purvi would be playing the role of child labor.
Yes, ma'am. You called us.
Yeah. So both of you, I'll tell you that that one news is running around the city that child labor is increasing rapidly. I've got some news from the sources, so you both have to look into the matter and probe into the factory and report me as soon as possible when you get enough proof.
And ma'am, can you please give me the information about that factory? So we'll be there in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I will send you report.
But ma'am, what we can do if they want to do work?
What?
If they want to do work, so what we can do?
You know that child labor is क्या बोलेंगे? Child labor is banned, so you should arrest the owner of factory owner.
We will update you.
Okay.
Yes. So is it Irfan?
Who are you? Yeah, I am Irfan. Who are
We are police of. Can't you see us?
you? Yeah, I know that. But I am Irfan. Contractor this factory.
You are contractor in this
Yeah.
factory. So we have got the information that that there are children working in your factory. Is it true?
No, not true. It is a fake news.
So if it is a fake news, so why don't you let us in and check your factory?
So who is inform you?
We have got the information from our sources, and you can't stop us because we are police.
So please show me your ID.
Just a second. So we have got the warrant, and if you are found guilty, so we'll arrest you, and this is the order, so you can check it.
Okay. So.
Can you please show us the way where is your factory and where are all the workers?
It's my factory.
Yeah. Hello, man. So we are just here for inspection, basically. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I am Jatin, and I am the child who is working here so long.
So it is true that there are child working in your factory.
Yeah,
What would you
because,
like to say?
Because child need a money, so I help children, child fathers and relatives.
But do you know it is a crime? The child labor. If
I know it is a crime, but I informed earlier in this child's father and parents, but father's parents need a money, so I sent a money, lump sum amount paid.
If you will be guilty, so do you know you will have to go to jail in under the night.
For more than 10 years.
Oh
You are aware of that?
no, I am not aware of this.
So before that, we'll investigate hold the case, and we'll like to investigate both of them because we know that she is also a child and working in your factory. So before that, introduce yourself. Like
I am Purvi and I am a child labor and I am doing job so far.
and how long it has been that you are working in this factory?
It's been 2 years I am doing work here.
It's been 2 years.
Yes.
And what about you?
Sir, I am working here for since last 4 years, sir.
Last 4 years.
Yes, sir.
So
You come that side. Now speak. Yeah, this is the right way.
how old were you when you first got into this factory?
Sir, I was only 9 years old.
9 years old.
Yes, sir.
So it was your own choice to work here?
No, sir. Who said to you that it's our?
We are just investigating. And what about you? It was your own choice?
No, it is not my own choice. No, it is not my own choice to work here.
So are you guys related?
Yes, we are brother and sister.
Your brother and sister. And before proceeding in this case, we would like to investigate both of you. So for that, you will have to come to the police station, and if it is already been proven that your contractor is exploiting the child, so he will be in behind the bar, and after that we'll make.
Sir, we can't give a statement because if we'll get a statement, he will kill us, sir. He said us to.
But
Yes,
you know,
sir.
Mr. Sujal will take care of that because he has a experience of 10 years in this field, and you will be not harmed here. So don't worry of that.
But our owner is too bad. That's why we are
He used
afraid.
to beat us, sir, as well.
Is it
For
really?
work, sir? Yes, sir.
So give you all the statements, and it will be recorded, and we will proceed further. So please come to our police station and.
First, tell me your name. What's your name?
My name is Purvi.
And you are?
I am Jatin.
So, how long have you been working in a conduct?
In this factory.
Sir, it's been 5 years, we can say, sir.
So, you have any pressure from your parents?
Actually, there is a story behind of that. Our uncle is used to drink, and he sold us to that contractors to do the job for the money.
Where is your hometown?
Sir, our hometown near the Indore, sir, Kanadia side. And sir, before sometimes my father and my uncle used to fight each other, and they had quarrels between them. That's why he sold us. My uncle sold us to him for
And where is
working
your
only.
uncle now?
I don't know,
I
sir.
don't know about
He took
it.
money from him and went away.
So have you ever tried to escape this factory and go back to your hometown?
Sir, many times we did, but we
We didn't
we
get chance.
to do.
And one time I would like I was about to go, but he caught me and beat me too much, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And what about you? Did you ever try to escape?
Yeah, I tried many times to escape here, but he caught us and hinted us, slapped us.
Uh,
He told us that if you would try to go escape from there, I would search and beat you again, sir. He said us. That's why we are not ready for give the statement, sir.
Conductor sahab, please come here.
Conductor.
Contractor sahab. Yes.
Sir.
So we have got the news that you used to beat these children, and whenever they tried to escape this factory, you have beaten them.
No, I don't beaten them
Sir, I am only 15 years old and I am not leaving, sir. Don't worry.
because I sent a lot of money there in parents.
So you are confessing that you bought him from his uncle.
Yes, uncle, because his uncle needed money and he sold me.
So don't you think so? It is a crime to.
Yeah, it
buy
is a crime,
person?
but uncle, if I didn't purchase that, so that his uncle sold other person.
Yeah, it is true. But do you have some information about his uncle
No, I don't
currently?
have information about this child labor.
And do you have his number right now?
Yeah, I have a number.
Please.
Sir, he's feeding and sometimes we have to sleep without having dinner, sir. Ask to my sister as well, sir.
Yes, sir, my brother is right.
And what about like why did you purchase? Because they are human. Don't you think so? It is so cruel to buy someone.
Yeah, I will.
So now you will be behind the bars for sure, and I will make sure it should be not less than 10 to 15 years. You will be behind the bars now.
So I'll support you for ever this investigation. I'll help you so that please cooperate.
So basically, we have already got the enough information to put you behind the bar, and you will be behind the bars once you get in the court.
Yes, but I'll give her money for this I'll give her support for education and everything. So please cooperate this.
There is no back from here. You can't bribe them or us.
So okay, I agree.
So you have seen.
Yes.
So you have seen that how children are put in the work in a very younger age, and they are destroyed their childhood. In it is the child is mentally and physically ready for their upcoming future, but they get caught up in a worldly affairs. And the Child Labor Act was implemented under the leadership of the Rajiv Gandhi in 1986. According to this act, who is guilty under the child labor, he will have to put in a jail under the 3016 Act, under the section of 3016. And in the census of 2002, the ratio of the child labor, it was 15 crore, and in 2010 it was 14 lakh, and the ratio of the child labor in 2012 it was 20 lakh. It's mean you have seen that the ratio of the childhood is day by day decreasing. The ratio of that is decreasing, and I would like to ask you a question, that who is the behind of child labor? Their parents or they himself? Yeah, our government. Our government. Why? I would like to ask to sir. I think sir.
I will tell you after the video.
Okay, sir. So now I'm going to end of my act. Thank you guys, everyone.
Sir, I would like to say something. As you have seen in this act, so childs are being exploited here. This is not right. This should not be happen. This is a crime, as we all know. And this is the age for children to let their laughter echo in playground, feel the air with joy, and not to bear the weight of work in their tender shoulders. And if you see such kind of children, so help them as much as you can. So this